Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my secret recipe for an incredibly delicious spaghetti sauce that some people say tastes like Jollibee's, but after trying it, they claimed it even better. So if you are a spaghetti lover, this video tutorial is perfect for you. So here are the ingredients we will need to make the spaghetti sauce.
1 can of original plain palm brand corned beef, 1 red bell pepper, so chop them all into dice, 1 medium carrots, 1 stalk of celery, 4 pieces white button mushroom, 3 cloves garlic, 1 medium onion, 2 pounds ground pork or 1 kilo, 2 pounds ground beef or also 1 kilo, hot dog. This is Kirkland signature beef wieners available at Costco. 1 can of mushroom cream, and this is one of our secret ingredients. Ketchup. 6 packs of DM spaghetti sauce. I combined 2 flavors here which were only ones available at the store. Since they are from the same brand, mixing them works fine. 3 to 4 packs of 900 grams spaghetti pasta of any brand will do. So follow along with me and you'll be enjoying a spaghetti sauce that's even better than Jollibee's. Okay, let's get started. So we'll start cooking and just follow what I'm doing. So I'm sauteing the garlic and onion first. Let's brown the garlic lightly, then add onion. Once the onions is caramelized, add the ground meat. It doesn't matter which of the 2 ground meat goes first. Alright? Okay, so let's cook the ground meat and add this Worcestershire sauce. This sauce gives a delicious flavor to the meats being cooked. And this is one of the secrets in cooking, especially when preparing dishes with meat. Okay, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook the ground meat until the moist evaporated and you see the fat start to render out. So since ground meat tends to lump together, so carefully break it up using the edge of a ladle or big spoon so it doesn't become chunky. And it's very important to have an even texture for the ground meat, especially for the spaghetti sauce. Once the meat is brown and the fat has rendered out, push the meat aside and let the oil pool in one area of the pan. Then add the chopped mushroom first to the oily part and saute briefly. If the mushroom started to stick on the bottom, reduce the heat and continue stirring. After a minute or two, add the remaining vegetables. Doesn't matter which one goes first, again, no problem. And cook until they are tender and almost melting. That's the technique. So while we are waiting for the vegetable to cook, do the following with the corned beef. Use scissors to cut the corned beef from the can into very fine pieces, then add in it. Again, once the vegetables are cooked, let the oil pool in one area of the pan and add the corned beef. Let it cook or saute briefly, and if you see chunks of corned beef that aren't cut, use scissors to cut those chunks, alright? And then when you notice oil or fat start to render again, then next add the mushroom cream and do the same thing. When you see the fat start to render out again, then pour in the DM spaghetti sauce. So that's how we do it. So now, aside from the hot dog that we will add, which is optional for other spaghetti sauce makers, this is the last procedure or process in making our spaghetti sauce. Now that we have put all the DM's spaghetti sauce and the ketchup, let it boil, and when it boils, lower the heat to continue simmering until you think the ground meat is tender. So approximately about 30 to 45 minutes you simmer for that to blend all the ingredients that we put in. And the ground meat needs to be cooked well because you know why? Beef meat has stretch or tough. Just because it is ground meat, it doesn't mean the stretch or toughness is gone. So we need to simmer it to make it softer or tender. So while it is simmering, from time to time,
watch out and stir it or it might stick to the bottom and start to burn the bottom of the pan and ruin the taste of the spaghetti sauce. So it is very important to stir it from time to time. Alright, so now, again, now while the spaghetti sauce is simmering and waiting for the sauce to cook, let's pan fry the hot dog first. This is one of the secrets why the sauce is very delicious. What you do with the hot dog is only put it in when the spaghetti sauce is completely cooked. Take note, don't put the hot dog in while the sauce is simmering. Because you know why? Because the hot dog's flavor is very strong and the flavor will be overpowered and the taste of the spaghetti sauce will be ruined. That's the reason why we have to pan fry the hot dog first to cook. Then later on, put the hot dog when the sauce is cooked. So let's cut the hot dog into our desired cut, like a slope or a slanting cut, and get it ready while we are waiting for the sauce to be done. Okay, so after 30 to 45 minutes of simmering, our spaghetti sauce is cooked or done. And it is time to add the pan-fried hot dog. Since the hot dog is already cooked, we don't need to simmer it further. Just simply stir it in, and once it boils again, turn off the heat, and that's it. Cooking delicious spaghetti is that easy. Sorry I did not capture a full video of adding the hot dog, as I was also multitasking with cooking kuchinta. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for spaghetti sauce and we'll give it a try to taste the delicious flavor. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow my channel, and click the notification bell for all the latest recipes and cooking adventures. Thank you so much. God bless you and happy cooking. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.